Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows cannot find WinWord.exe. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. First backup registry for future use. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand image file extension options. Delete WinWord.exe key. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.